Vehicle compliance is required by Transport Canada and NHTSA, which is the National Highway Traffic Safety Authority, so that vehicle manufacturers can meet appropriate codes and standards, such as the Canadian Motor Vehicle Safety Act or the FMVSS, Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards for US.
Recreational vehicles and factory-built structures are required to comply with building, plumbing, and electrical codes. We act as the code officials to show that your product complies with the standards so it can be legally sold in the country. Why is QAI needed? We are needed to sell your product. It must show compliance with the codes and standards through certification by an accredited certification body. The QAI certification mark on your product demonstrates that your product is compliant with the relevant codes and standards and will gain you acceptance from the relevant government and safety authorities. A single project manager will walk you through the approval process. QAI reviews floor plan drawings and component specifications to ensure your product complies with all safety codes and requirements.
After the evaluation portion, an IPI is conducted with the manufacturer. QAI inspector visits the facility to ensure that what the inspector is evaluating on site is the same as what the designs have been submitted to QAI. We're checking for the quality system. At the same time, we're checking for the components that are being used in the factory to ensure that it meets minimum standards set out for certification.
Our inspectors clearly communicate the results of the inspection and work with you to resolve any issues. Once approved, the manufacturer is given authorization to apply the QAI label to the products that QAI has certified. QAI performs random inspections at the factory to check for ongoing compliance with certification requirements.
Very professional. They're certainly prompt. It's like they've been there before, so obviously they know what they're doing. And it's quite routine, which we like the routine aspect of it. There's no surprises. We know what to expect. They come, they do their thing. It's very minimal disruption, and it's worked well for us. Our customers definitely appreciate it. They like that third-party certification, sort of the comfort that comes with that third-party certification.